Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a video about this last night, and I wanted to see if it would do it with the outline. So I'm going to show you that it does work. So this is actually part two. If we take this text, and let's make it a different color, and we go with the shape tool and bring this skew in and have them like go there. And then if we take the interactive fill tool like I did yesterday and swipe across it, and let's put yellow here. Let's go ahead and put red in that. And you do that. Let's make a duplicate of that. That's pretty cool within itself. But then if you go to object and break the text apart, so this was what I did in part one. I wanted to see if it would do it with an outline. So I took this text and made an outline, and you can see the outline of each letter. But then if we do what we did before and break the text apart, now the outline is only on there. And if you want it thicker, go to object, convert it to a curve, and then your pen tool comes up. And of course, you'd want to select all the letters and go up to hairline and make it something other than a hairline. So it works. That's pretty cool where you could stack letters like that. You could do that with back minus front, but I've never discovered a way you could do it that fast just by breaking the text apart. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.